What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the equation of tangent line. It says find out the equation of tangent line to f of x equals to sine 4x at x equals to pi over 8. So first thing I need to do, I need to find out f prime. F prime, whenever you have the derivative of sine x is cosine x, derivative of sine u, if u is a function of x, will be u prime cosine x, cosine u. So f of x in this case is going to be 4 cosine 4x. And when you sub it there, pi over 8 is going to be 4 times cosine. 4 times pi over 8 is going to be pi over 2. And cosine pi over 2 is 0. So if you want to find out the equation, y equals to y naught plus m times x minus x naught. So y equals to y naught, we need to sub this one in the original function. That's the x naught. When you sub it there, it's going to be sine of pi over 2. Sine of pi over 2 is 1. So it's going to be 1 plus 0 times x minus pi over 8. Since 0 multiplied this bracket, it's going to be just, the whole thing is going to be 1. So that's going to be the equation of the tangent line to f of x equals to sine 4x at x equals to pi over 8. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.